Good morning from Malana. Yes, from Malana village. So it's Monday morning and Saturday, Sunday. I haven't recorded anything, like seriously anything, because you guys know, uh, because I did not feel like, oh, I really don't want to record anything. So I really don't want to record anything. So I haven't recorded anything. So today is still, because actually I was thinking कि ये ऑयल लगे हुए हैं सर पे ना, so ignore it. And I just came for a walk with one more volunteer. He came to volunteer the same property and he came from Delhi. दानिश, हम लोग अभी वॉक पे गए थे तो शायद वो अपना चश्मा भूल आया उधर, तो he went to find his चश्मा. Okay, so I was like instead of vlogging, for few days I'm gonna record something, like I had something in my head. Let me just so we're so that's why I was like, okay, let's not record, let's not vlog, and I'm gonna record something. So अभी तक तो नहीं किया है. I had some ideas in my head because यहाँ पे कहीं जा नहीं सकते हो आप. You have to be here in there only. भाई क्या वैली, क्या खूबसूरत वैली है. दिख क्यों नहीं रहा है यार रुको. क्या खूबसूरत वैली है भाई. सच अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस. इतना आइसोलेटेड है, एक भी हॉन्किंग की आवाज़ नहीं है. नथिंग इवल्स, no crowd, no people, very less touristic. I'm like, what is happening here? And believe me, that's my vibe. So yes, I'm just taking a walk to the shop. मिल गया. अच्छा हाँ मिल गया. नदी के अंदर था. माय गॉड ग्रेट. मिल गया उसका चश्मा. Hi dear. Okay, so this video is going to be a bit different from the previous ones. So because I was just documenting my life, I'll say I was hiding behind those like travel videos, destinations. I mean, like that is me as well. That is just different part of me, but I have never expressed myself like fully, like whole, who actually I am. Is a like what? Okay, I'm not gonna cut it. I'm not gonna edit it. I'm gonna keep it. Okay, because I'm literally shivering at this moment, because finally I decided to talk from bottom of my heart. And now for few weeks I'm gonna take a break from the vlogging, and I really want to record videos like this only, so that way like where I'm gonna speak about my journey, what I have gone through, what issues has shaped my life, where I have become like fully nomad. This is the best time actually to speak about everything, speak about the issues, the challenges which I'm going through at this moment, and which I have gone through, which has shaped my mindset, which has given me strength, courage, uh, for the lifestyle I'm living at this moment. So yes, okay. So though I was making videos, but believe me, still facing this issue, which we call it like visibility wounds. So what is visibility wounds? Visibility wounds are where you feel shy when you're speaking in front of the camera, where you feel scared, where you feel like not seen, not heard when you talk to the people. So, and also from where these issues comes, these issues comes from your childhood memories, childhood experiences, where you didn't where you haven't feel seen in your life, where you haven't feel loved, heard, understood, for who you are. So these voids creates um, a issue within us, where we issue, or I call it emotions, feelings of being unseen, unheard, so that become a belief system within us. Yes, and वो belief system आगे जाके वैसे ही लोग आपको आपकी लाइफ में भेजता. ओके, सो आई एम trying to speak as who I am. what kind of belief system I have, what kind of issues I have gone through, what kind of mindset I have. So that's why I'm just right now like uh, understand. Okay, so those kind of experiences, if you carry those wounds within yourself, you those voids within yourself, then you keep attracting such kind of people who does not see you, who does not value you. You feel scared. You, I'm like, because you feel, because that belief system gave you a thought of feeling that you're never going to be seen, you're not going to be heard, you know. So I had the worst visibility wounds, you know. Like seriously, I'm almost like 33. Almost, wait, I'm 33. And now finally I'm speaking about everything, you know, because it took me ages to come in front of the camera. Though back of the camera, I'm such a grateful, like, I'm such a great person. I call myself an amazing soul. I know I am, but my I really, now I'm so much done with like hiding behind these smiley face, these travel videos, these shyness, you know. I'm just so much done. Now I feel like I really want to come up with who I am, like true self, true inner self. So now I'm like, I'm so much done with hiding from the world, from the cameras. My like most of the life I have lived in isolation. Like believe me, I always blame to others and the God. Like why you're keeping me like isolated, and whoever people comes to enter in my life, they leave me, or even they leave me and they hurt me, and these things, you know, kept happening. But those issues, wounds shaped me, my personality, my value system. My God. But anyways, at this moment we are only talking about the visibility wound. So yeah, yes, really, I just really want to show up with my like the personality who actually I am. I know this video is like not gonna be too long, but my God, yes. And you know what? The page I have created, which is my actual work, that is Core Head. Core Head. Why I have given that name, how I came up with that name. Actually, in my whole life, you know, in my whole life, I have gone through with like a lot of major transformations. I have like held myself all alone, you know, all alone, self-held. So that's why I have came up with this name, Core Held, self-held, where I'm held. And still at this phase of my life, I think in the few videos you guys must have seen me like crying, changing places here and there, unstable emotions, unstable places. So those are creating like has those experiences has like given me such a like vulnerable thoughts. But still, I know one thing, is I know, again I'm gonna repeat it, I know I'm meant for greatness. I know I'm meant for like I know I am meant for greatness. I'm meant for amazing things. And this visibility wounds, the the visibility wounds which I was having, I'm gonna work on it. Today is the beginning of that breaking pattern, because I have to. If I'm not gonna work on my own inner issues, who else gonna work, right? In the same, you know, how I came up with this idea, how I have understood that because how I because I feel like this is the part of the healing as well, you know. Every stages of the life gives you some issues, then you work on it. At this stage of my life, where in my life the financial issues are going through, I'm going through with the financial challenges, but I'm going through with the financial issues, financial challenges. So I started understanding the financial issues are related to the visibility issues. So to stabilize the finances in my life, I have to be visible. And so yes, so for that I have to work on my own visibility wounds. And in order to work on the visibility wounds, I have to come in front of the camera for who actually I am. Yes, I'm rude. Yes, I'm kind. I'm freaking honest. I'm freaking loving, caring, amazing, and ruthless person as well. And a ruthless person as well. But ruthless person for who who does not value my time, energy, presence, and I mean like समझ जाना है यार. Who doesn't, who, जिसने मेरा मेंटल पीस ख़राब करने की कोशिश किया होगा, जिसकी अवेयरनेस नहीं मैच हुई होगी, जिसकी एनर्जी अच्छे से मैच नहीं होगी. सो फॉर दोज काइंड ऑफ पीपल, और ऑल्सो उनके वैल्यूज अलाइन नहीं हो रहे होंगे. सो फॉर दोज काइंड ऑफ पीपल आई माइट बी लाइक अ रूड पर्सन. आई डोंट ब्लेम दैम, but this is who I am. Because whole life I have been alone. I have been worked on myself, my own mental peace. So it's my duty, my responsibility to protect my inner peace, mental peace, my energy, my boundary. It's very important. Yes. Now I stopped. I think I have stopped abandoning myself long time ago. Yes. At this moment, very important thing which is for me is to showing up in front of the camera for who I am. Okay, forgive it if I'm repeating the same line again and again, because समझ जाओ यार, I'm trying to be me. Anyway, so I know it's, you won't believe today's Monday. I have to upload the video on Monday, right? Because I upload videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and only three days in a week. Okay. And it's almost like 10:30. I'm recording it, and by before 12 I have to upload it as well. So don't ignore it. Just witness it and be the part of my becoming, because I know I'm meant for amazing things. Bye bye. We will see you in another video. Let's see what I talk about.